Click on Settings and turn on the Wi-Fi. Connect to the Wi-Fi. Click to view the IP address. Open LightBurn and connect the device. Click on Create Manually Select GRBL. Next, select Ethernet TCP. Click Next again and enter the IP address of the device. Next, name the device and enter the engraving area of the machine. Click Next and then Finish. When the console displays OK, the connection is successful. When using the Wi-Fi connection, the screen will display Mobile Connection Control in progress. Drag the picture into the engraving area. Set the size and engraving parameters. Click on Frame to preview the position, and then start engraving.